Yeah, the VLSI. Okay, what is VLSI? First of all, first we discuss what is VLSI. Okay, VLSI is the very large scale integration. You know, okay. Yeah, some of the students. Okay, today some of the students dream is to get a job in VLSI field. VLSI field. Okay, in VLSI field, lot of opportunities, lot of domains are there. First one is design engineer or RTL. Okay, first one is RTL engineer, and next one is verification engineer, verification engineer, and then DFT, STA, PD. A lot of domains are there in VLSI. Not only the RTL design, not only the verification engineer, not only the DFT, not only STA. Along with lot of domains are there. Okay, we enter into the back end again. Timing analysis, GLS team are there, and uh, silicon validation team. Lot of domains are there. Not only the RTL engineer and not only the verification engineer, but one thing. Okay, what is the difference between, what is the difference between the first two block and remaining all those things? Okay, suppose for example, that is all are familiar. Back end and front end. Okay, back end and front end. First we take front end and back end. Okay, what is front end? Front end nothing but, okay, some of the students already know front end nothing but the job comes under front end is DV, design and verification. Design and verification. Back end nothing but simple physical design. Physical design. Physical design. Okay, but okay, your interest in back end, that's good, and your interest in DV, that's also good. But comparative in both front end and back end, what's the demand wise, both are same. Demand wise both are same. Once front end pass, then back end definitely needed. Okay, I didn't tell, okay, front end is more weightage, back end is less weightage, not like that. Okay, both weightage are equal only. Okay, once you only assume once pass the verification, then on back end is compulsory needed, right? Compulsory needed, so that reason both are same weightage. But in terms of job vacancy, in terms of job vacancy, front end is more. In terms of job vacancy, front end is high. Front end high opportunity. In front end high opportunity. That one thing. Okay, yeah. I didn't enter into the back end because it's mainly concentrated on front end DV engineer purpose. This complete live session is related to the complete DV engineers. So comparatively, for one point, compared to back end job vacancies, front end job vacancies more. Front end job vacancies more. Okay, but how to get a job in front end? That's one thing. Next question: how to get a job in front end? What are the skills needed? How to get a job in front end, and what are the skills needed? Skills are needed. Next we discuss this point. Okay, the simple answer of this question is, hmm, we need to work on, okay, we need to work on front end. Some of the skills are needed. Some of the skills are compulsory or skills are needed. What's that skill? First one is, okay, that's the basic thing. What are the basic thing we need to study before entering to the, or before joining the front end jobs? Front end job is nothing, DV, design and verification. What's my preparation? What's my preparation? In which way we need to start? Okay, that's one thing. Okay, first we need to understand basic digital electronics, and then Verilog, and then SystemVerilog, SystemVerilog, then UVM, then UVM. UVM nothing but Universal Verification Methodology. Universal Verification Methodology. Okay. Next, once complete this all those things, once we complete this all those things, next some of the advanced concepts are there. That advanced concepts are advanced UVM RAL. Okay. Next, Python scripting. Python script like that. Okay. Then once complete all these skills, then we move to projects. Projects. Okay, not wait until completion of all the skills. Once okay, digital electronics completed, then Verilog completed. Okay, immediately start system Verilog. Okay, once you complete the system Verilog, parallelly you take some of the projects from not directly entering to the I nothing but a year project. First we go from low to from low to I. From low to I. First one, project wise, projects wise. First we discuss about AMBA APB protocol, APB, AHB. First thing, okay, that's the first platform. First platform. Then once complete the AMBA, APB and AHB, then move to the AMBA AXI, yes, and then okay, AMBA AXI or check next. Okay, then once complete this two level project, next DDR, PCIe, Ethernet, like that. That is the one flow. Okay, we get a job in TV engineer. First, we need to follow this flow only. Okay, sir. Once we complete the Verilog, directly enter into the project. That is the wrong way. Okay, Verilog is made design purpose. We use Verilog. Design purpose we use Verilog, but system Verilog not like that. Both design and verification. Okay, today all companies adopt UVM methodology for verification. UVM methodology for verification. That is the advanced methodology. In all companies use UVM only. But system Verilog also is mainly used for both design and verification. Both design and verification. Okay, but UVM methodology, that is one methodology, that's not a language. That's one methodology. It's one methodology. It's a methodology, not a language. Compared to system Verilog, lot of inbuilt methods are there. Compared to SV, lot of advantages are there. Advantages are there in UVM. So that reason UVM is adopted in all the companies for verification. Okay, in one class we can't able to discuss the complete UVM methodology compared to system Verilog. Okay, that is the one flow. We need to follow this flow, and then we need to start a preparation to get a job in TV. Okay, that is the one flow, guys. Okay, that basically the cognitive learners provide this all our basic course. The Verilog and digital electronics we can easily learn by textbooks. Okay, easily to get a knowledge and textbook only. But after Verilog and digital electronics, we can improve that our skills on system Verilog and UVM. That is the better opportunity. That's the better opportunity. In this way, we cover all the system Verilog topics from scratch to advanced. Then same way in UVM also we need to cover from scratch to advanced. Same way, some basic fundamental projects are needed to grow up our job demand. In that time, basic fundamentals also we provide in terms of project. Okay, that is the complete. What are the basic things needed to get a job in DB? That all basic things we need to provide in next upcoming 2.5 months. Okay, if anyone needed this course and this opportunity, okay, in the description I will mention the contact number and the details of the course. Please contact and utilize this opportunity. Okay, once you get on this course, you can easily to get your knowledge on digital electronics also. digital electronics also. Okay, that's the live session and discussion of the. Thank you guys. Yeah.